I've been always blaming my South Americans for the Zika virus, you know.
The games are 1-1 or 5-4.
Yeah, their heads got
Oh,
smaller.
like 3-2.
Here we go. Have you ever seen a Churchill hockey game? It's sort of a cool deal that we got.
Okay. It's Bob's Oilers.
Bob's Oilers. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. I think that fucked me.
Yeah, I heard a good pair of guys as long as like a deposit.
Bruce! What was that
Oh,
about?
fuck! Get rid of that fucking bot. I tried to clear it.
Hey, Bruce is up 2-0 in the first minute.
I had a, what's his name?
Don't jinx him now.
That Smith guy that did that goal against the Edmonton Oilers. He did that.
Oh, now you're up the goalie? I want to shoot harder.
And my team is in shock right now. They're getting, they think the Zika virus is coming back. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Having shoot, I'll take it. Whoa.
Everything's going in.
4 minutes? 4 minutes? 4 minutes.
Looking for.
Thank you.
4 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, thank God for the 4 minutes. That makes me feel better.
That was not good.
God. It's like, shit. I know, you could have easily. That could have been another ka-chink. Oh, come on.
Yikes, I got greedy.
I'm going to deboyd you.
Boyd, pass.
Oh, wow. Purely reflex. That was a pure reflex, yeah, I know. Feel like Jimmy Rutherford's in goal. I got the old wings in. Yeah! Woo. Well, at least something works. Might as well practice a little. Oh!
I just knocked that in for
so
you.
sweet.
Wow.
Need a couple more though. A little early.
Ah! Damn it, I don't know how the hell that even got to that point, but the nice was a goal. Oh, that was the real house.
That was it.
Yeah, that was it.
Dang,
Bulldozer.
nice shot. I was busy paying attention to the placement instead of playing. You can't be fucking serious. That was wide open.
Ah! That was sucked.
30 seconds.
Ah.
20 seconds.
That was in.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, I had to put the guarantee in there.
Good
Good goal or?
Yeah, we did.